Experience the Danform difference.
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 Trusted.
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 Trusted. Experienced.
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 Professional.
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 Comfort.
Comfort.
Comfortable.
Comfort.
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 Selection.
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 Knowledgeable.
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 Knowledge.
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 Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable.
Friendly.
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 High quality footwear.
High quality footwear.
High quality footwear.
The best shoe store in Vermont.
The best shoe store in Vermont.
The best shoes in Vermont.
The best shoe store in Vermont.
We measure your feet. We measure your feet.
We measure your feet.
We measure your feet.
We measure your feet.